Hey guys, so I'm going to kind of help you explore the Canvas course a little bit more. I'm seeing some of the things that you can do and look at in our Canvas page. So remember you've already done this, so then when you're in your dashboard, right, you can go to whichever class that you want to work on. Right here is our home page, right, that helps us to navigate to anything. I showed you how to click on assignments, and that will take you to all your assignments for the week. This button is called announcements, right? So you come over here, and there's just some other random announcement type of things that your teachers will post to let you know information as it comes out. So one was just like a welcome to Canvas. There will be a page about our announcement about Google Meet times. All the links to our Google Meets will be there. Remembering we meet on Tuesdays, we'll be at 10 a.m. and then Thursdays we'll be at 4 p.m. So we'll meet 2 days a week, one day in the morning, one day in the afternoon. So if you like to sleep in, maybe we'll talk to you on Thursday. Or if you're awake and finished all your work first thing, then you might want to just hop on our Tuesday call. Or you can just do both. If you really want to talk with us and talk to your classmates, of course, we can see you both times. The codes will be Flint McSherry and the date. Right, and I'll post the links here every day for you. All right, so then, there's one more announcement, my bad. And then you also have the daily schedule, or that schedule just in case you want something to kind of help you keep you on track. Here is the schedule for you to reference. It still has the Google Meet times. And then we have our suggested special area schedule. That way you can make sure that you're still getting PE, art, music, science, and media every week. All right, so that's just announcements. You don't have to do any work there. That's just information, right, for you to know. So then going back to assignments, we're going to talk a little bit more about what we do within the assignment. So for today's task, obviously this video I'm filming right now will be right here under videos. So the objective for today is I can navigate Canvas with the help of my teacher. So this video I'm doing right now is going to show you how to navigate or get around different things in Canvas. So, right, the overview, right, you're watching this video of me right now, hopefully. And then after watching the video, you're going to comment in the chat to let me know if you understand. And if you understand Canvas, there's a brain break for you to click on if you follow everything of today's task. So again, today's task right here. That means everything under here, right, will be a link that you can click on. See, like when I hover over this, it comes up that I can click that and go to a link. It'll take me to another page, right? So we have our videos, our chat, or our activity, and our brain breaks here. So you're watching the video, so you've done the first task, and then you're going to comment in the chat to let me know you understand. So right here, if I click this, it might not work right now. Oops, I went to. I'll fix that link. That might be my fault that that link doesn't work. And sometimes if a link in there doesn't work, usually you can navigate through these buttons on the side as well, right? So my home page here, my announcements can take me there, just like that pink button. Modules is what the assignments are called. The green button can take me here. And then I have my chat feature on the side too. Sorry, Jason's getting ice and being loud, if you could hear him. So then right here, you're in the course chat. I want you to type, I did it, or something. Just type a little message showing me that you were able to follow the steps, and then type in the chat. So once you type your chat, okay, I did it, you can click send, and it'll post your chat. Thanks, Genesis, for letting me borrow your account. So again, that's what it will look like. I'll see your name and your message, and I'll see what time you did it. So that's awesome. And then, so after she did that and she wants to go back and finish, not announcements. Sorry. I'm still learning too. All right, you go back to your assignments, back on today. All right, so Genesis will have watched the video, clicked here, typed in our chat, and then the last thing of today's tasks is a brain break. So if you want to click that, and it can take you to a YouTube video that you can do for a fun little brain break for being successful with Canvas. Right, great. So once you finish all that, if you haven't already done math, remember you click on your dashboard. We'll take you back here, and then you can go into your math, which again, that looks so similar, and you'll do basically the same thing again in your math page with Miss Flint. All right, guys, I think that's about all I have for you. You can feel free to click around in Canvas, check things out on your own as well. It's just going to be our new platform, and it's here for you to explore and learn with us. So I cannot wait. I hope you have a great Monday, and then I'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday. Bye.